Good Monday morning, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik forecast. We have chilly temperatures this morning around 30 degrees. Also seeing a few flakes of snow flying around. For the most part, not really causing any impact out there. We'll see flurries, maybe a few brief snow showers off and on today. So kind of a wintry day with a few flurries flying around, but overall not going to cause a whole lot of problems on the roads. I think especially north of Indy, if you're heading up towards, let's say, Kokomo, towards Muncie, better chance to see perhaps a coating of snow in spots this morning. Here's a look at the forecast radar throughout the day. Again, showing you some flurries. These should gradually dissipate and diminish this afternoon, although we could see a few flakes of snow here and there this afternoon, even into the evening. But for the most part, not going to cause any big problems for you if you're going to be out and about today. Just a lot of cloud cover, chilly temperatures, highs in the lower 30s today. As we go into tomorrow, we're going to see dry weather during the day. A pretty nice day tomorrow with temperatures into the mid 30s. We're watching the forecast tomorrow night into Wednesday, and that's a time frame we need to watch here for the chance of wintry weather. It looks like we will see snow and sleet, some accumulating snowfall, and then we're going to go over to rain Wednesday with much warmer temperatures. But it looks like around midnight tomorrow night, we're going to start to see some wintry weather work in, some snow, some sleet. This will continue through about 4 or 5 o'clock Wednesday morning. Now, the good thing about this system is, if the timing holds, most of this looks to happen while most of us are sleeping Tuesday night. But there could be some decent accumulating snowfall with this, maybe a 1 to 3 inch snowfall mixed with some sleet, and then going over to rain on Wednesday as warmer air works in. So tricky travel Tuesday night. Again, hopefully we can move that out of here in time for Wednesday morning. And as we go through the late part of this week, actually we look to dry out just a bit here Thursday and Friday. Some pretty good weather. Temperatures look to be in the 40s here by Friday, 46 degrees. And look at next weekend. We have almost a spring-like day on Saturday. Chance of a few thunderstorms, maybe some strong storms Saturday night. And then going into Sunday, we'll get a bit cooler behind that cold front. But overall, not a bad week. We just have to get through some cold kind of temperatures today, a few flurries, and a round of some wintry weather on Tuesday night. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.